Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to simplify the following by factorization. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. In the first part of the question, we have factorize the expression. We have that as 9x squared minus y squared. We're going to use the method of factorization called difference of two squares, which states that if I have something squared minus something squared, it's going to be, when you factorize, the addition of the terms multiplying the subtraction of the terms. So what we need to do is to rewrite our expression so that we have something squared minus something squared. If you look at 9, 9 is a perfect square. So if I rewrite my 9x squared, I have that as 3x all squared minus y squared. And if I factorize that, my a in this case will be 3x and my b will be y. So factorizing, I have that as 3x plus y multiplying 3x minus y. That's our answer. If we go to the second part of the question, that's our b. We have to simplify 6x plus 2y divided by 9x squared minus y squared. If you look at the first part of the question, we've already simplified or factorized the denominator, which is 9x squared minus y squared. We had to factorize the numerator. 6 is a multiple of 2, so I'm going to use common factors. I have that as, if I break down 6x, that will be 2 times 3x plus, I have my 2 times y at the top. At the bottom, I'm going to use the already factorized expression, which is 3x plus y, 3x minus y. And what that will give us is, if you look at a numerator, the common factor here is 2. So taking out 2, we are left with 3x plus y divided by, I have 3x plus y, 3x minus y. And if you check that, 3x plus y and 3x plus y, you can divide, that will give us 1, so that cancels out. For our numerator, we're left with 2 over a denominator as 3x minus y. Let's look at the second example. In our second example, we have to factorize. I have a squared minus 9b squared. Using a difference of two squares, that's two terms, perfect squares separated by a minus. I have something squared minus something squared will give us the addition of the terms and the subtraction of the terms. If I put in my values, that will be a squared minus 9 is a perfect square, so we have that as 3b all squared. If you apply the laws of exponent, that will be 3 squared b squared, and that's 9b squared. Factorizing, I have that as, my x now is a, so I have a and my y is 3b. So I have a plus 3b, a minus 3b. For the second part of the question, I have b, a squared minus 9b squared divided by 2a plus 6b. We've already factorized the numerator. I'm going to use common factors to factorize my denominator. So using the answer I got for my first part of the question, I have a plus 3b and a minus 3b. I'm going to break down my denominator. I have that as 2 times a plus, 6 is a multiple of 2, so I have that as 2 times 3b. The common factor here is at 2, so if I simplify, I have that as, I still have my a plus 3b and a minus 3b at the top for my denominator. A common factor is 2, so I take out 2. I'm left with a plus 3b for my second term. And if you look at that, a plus 3b, I have that as my numerator and my denominator. If I divide, that cancels out. So my final answer will be, I'm left with a minus 3b for my numerator and my denominator, that's 2. Thanks for watching. Bye.